Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'd like to show you how you can actually avoid this kind of long press of the buttons in the Poco F3 GT device. So right now I'm trying to use the Poco F3 GT, and not only me, few of the users they are actually facing this kind of issue, which is called the long press of any kind of button, as you can see. So when you try to press any kind of button, it will become the long press, as you can see friends, in this kind of manner. So right now I'll try to show you how to avoid it. So there are two ways to avoid this kind of long press of the button. So first is that whenever you get this kind of long press problem, try to open any kind of application, and try to come back to the home screen. The long press will be gone. Yes. Again, if you try to press again, the long press will be again be back. If you want to clear this one, try to go to any application, doesn't matter, not only Play Store, try to go to any application and come back to home screen. The overlay will be completely gone. There's one type this kind of solution, as you can see friends right now, and trying to open the settings and it's gone. If you try to tap on the same button 2 times, it doesn't work. It's not working, as you can see. It's not working. So you need to open any kind of application, then come to the home screen, then the overlay long press of these buttons will be completely gone. There's one type of solution about that one, and the second one is to reboot the phone. Yes, so you need to restart the device. Let me to restart and show you. So this is a problem which is not only happening in the Poco F3 GT, it has the same problem issues and in the other Poco phones as well, which I did use before, like Poco X3 Pro, in the Poco X3, even the Poco M3 Pro as well. Maybe this is something to do with the Poco launcher, I think so. That's the long press of the button, that's the problem. So this is not the new issue or new problem, so which I did face in the plenty of other phones as well before. That's the one thing. But so in case if it's bothering you, and in case if you want to solve the problem, then this is the way how you can actually do it. As you can see right now, so once after the restart the phone, it's completely fine. Now there is no issue about the long press of these buttons. As you can see friends, exactly no problem at all. Now it's working 100% fine. So if you have the problem, then try to reboot the device within few seconds. So your device will be completely fine to avoid this kind of long press of overlay. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video friends. And then stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, try to check the playlist of more details about the Poco F3 GT device. Signing off. Bye.